Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to activate Xfinity Internet. First, gather your Xfinity account information and order details. Make sure your Xfinity modem or gateway is properly connected to the coaxial cable and power outlet. Have a computer or mobile device ready, as you will need it for the online activation process. This preparation ensures a smooth setup. Now let's connect your equipment. Plug your Xfinity modem into a power outlet and wait for it to fully power on, which may take a few minutes. Next, connect your computer or mobile device directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable or by connecting to its temporary Wi-Fi network. Finally, check that all indicator lights on the modem are stable, not blinking. With your equipment connected, open a web browser on your device. You should be automatically redirected to the Xfinity activation page. If not, try visiting Xfinity.com/activate. Follow the clear on-screen prompts to sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. Complete the guided setup process, which will finalize the activation of your new internet service. If you encounter any issues during activation, don't worry. A simple restart of your Xfinity modem often resolves common problems, so try unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. If the problem persists, Xfinity customer support is available to provide further assistance and guide you through the process. They can help troubleshoot specific errors or account-related concerns. Also, be sure to check the description below for other great deals and to find the link for the Echo Dot smart speaker. We want to make sure you're fully connected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.